Looking for an upgrade that brings your music to life? Let's unbox the Kicker 50, 1KSS6504 KS Series 6.5-inch component speaker system. Built for premium sound, these speakers deliver 125 watts RMS and 250 watts peak power, giving you louder, cleaner audio with exceptional detail. The polypropylene woofers produce rich mid-range and tight bass, while the 1-inch silk dome tweeters deliver smooth, natural highs that make every vocal and instrument stand out. One of the best features is its versatile design. Install it as a true component system for a wider soundstage, or configure it as a coaxial setup to match your build. The adjustable tweeters let you fine-tune the sound exactly where you want it. If you're ready to elevate your driving experience, the Kicker KS Series 6.5-inch component speakers are an upgrade worth hearing. Get yours today at onlinecarstereo.com.